immigration officers me say ye nipa bi kobo wontu a ba ko afri mu ama mienu so agi ayarehwe no ene wo Facebook nso na aba beto ho say ye so bi abe post bibi wo ho say sa immigration officers me nsan kwa de keto akura afi no wo ba be hu na kase enti no ama obi adwene mu aye no kesere ne sade yin ene ekoso wo boko ene ne importamu eba security mu nsemu pa opani ba ko a yenya no otimebua ye ncheche ye nsemu e ya deep sani ye de di nkomo afa ensemi ehu owura deep sani oti ye nka ye mo ha mo akwa abado ba Adom TV prompt breaker see so
ye nia
Facebook post na aba beto ho se nipa na tro se 3 immigration officers ne de eno ye ketewa bi kura do ye hunu no ye nketewa no as a security analyst o ti we na hunu we na dia na ba otrimu dey na Ghana for yenye ana bambofo.
Well, sir, to be honest with you, meaning because the first time last year almost publish it will be picture almost see we would look for you, would make sure we kill you, and in the end yeah. So the use of social media there is very pronounced in Bukwasemno, and yet to me take it lightly, correct, on social media. The last time I think that was earlier this year, sure, around February, Mika Assembly, me see, you're careful, because the way certain way spread, the way it is widening in scope, I bet me are possible say at the point of mobile targeting security agents. And in my idea, but on the other hand, so I feel that attack, they were not the intended target. So what I say, I think it was an intelligence on their part gone wrong. So now maybe, sorry, no, expecting a people. Sorry. But not almost expecting a people, but it turned out to be immigration officers, because almost consistent pattern be. Omujina car kwai omo lorry station. So if anyone they are looking for sit in the vehicle, omo friend, target while join the car we car number the color of the vehicle, number plate the car make way, and when you get to that territory, omo stop a car to bring you out and perhaps execute you. In some cases, they just fire sporadically at the car. So which may be an unfortunate victim. Just by virtue of the fact that you are at the wrong place at the wrong time, even though you have nothing to do with Adia Ekosoro, you can become a target. And so, a same way, I feel about Kusasi any Mamprosi bill. If people are or Kusasi or Mamprosi are getting caught in the crossfire. They are, sir, immigration officer free. There was another man shot in town. Okay, so because of your inability to address that issue, it is changing its face and it is becoming more lethal and more spread out to the extent to say we are the go, but you feel say, oh, Davey, I have nothing to do with it. Me a free Davey, you can become a target. We are sensitivity because you have nothing to do with it. You can still become a target.
Enti Orasani said a wawu Canadian akoye bibi oho kakra wanya hweye kakra bia. Wahwa wo de bia wo koka na wo koye kura besa hinya ade mu ti kwan bai ene aye befa so na ya so mu yie sebe ya yansan kwankwo bre kuro no ani biemu.
Early warning mechanism, like sometimes before targets, even those mostly or more sporadic, time are unexpected and something happens. But there are situations where you expect to say, some way a bestie, then it happens. To say our Facebook page post, okay. So national security, I mean, by way, there's no government in the history of Ghana that has invested so much money in our cyber infrastructure. Let's stop the social media madness. Okay, aside that, providing efficient and effective law enforcement on the ground. Because what happens is maybe instead of saying make a police station, they don't do that. Mr. Mefa to go look for those who killed my brother and kill them back. So it's a cycle of violence and counter-violence and reprisals that never ends. Okay, so law enforcement is very important. Way a short term, but in the long term, government only showing much more commitment towards, dealing with the situation once and for all.
Yeah, that's Papa or Adom Sani. Bibi Musacha Yadrina, what our member bound champion, a way that's an ombre. Or Adom Sani, a security.